What up, fam? It's Mark coming at you again with another tutorial video. Today we're going to be doing an impeller in this 2016 Malibu MXZ. This engine is a 6.2 Monsoon. This is the one we will be covering this video. Now what I like to use for this is a 5/16 little nut driver. Makes it pretty nice and easy to just take those 4 bolts off. I'll be taking these 4 bolts off here. So here we go. Got it. Get a little bit of storage seal fogging oil, and you're just gonna just bump the motor over one time. Just kind of start it for 1 to 2 seconds. That's it. It's gonna be garbage. Impeller. So parts dealer. Part number right there.